I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Arian Medical Systems, and they're looking for a data entry assistant. The key responsibilities for this job are to input and maintain data and information into their database system, to verify accuracy and completeness of data entered, to perform regular data backups and maintain data security and confidentiality, to resolve any data discrepancies or errors promptly, to collaborate with team members to ensure accuracy and consistency of data, to keep up to date with industry standards and regulations about data entry, and to perform other administrative tasks as assigned by the supervisor. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. You must have proven experience in data entry or a similar role. You must have excellent typing speed and accuracy. You must have proficient computer skills, including MS Office and database management. You must have strong attention to detail and accuracy. You must be able to work independently and in a team environment. And you must have strong organizational and time management skills. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are health insurance, retirement savings plans, flexible spending accounts, and paid time off. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Lead the Way LLC, and they are looking for a remote data entry clerk. The key responsibilities for this job are to accurately input data from source documents into company systems and databases, to review data for discrepancies or errors, correct any incompatibilities, and ensure data integrity, to maintain confidentiality and handle sensitive information with discretion, to generate reports, store completed work in designated locations, and perform regular backups, to communicate with internal teams to ensure data consistency and quality, to meet daily and weekly productivity goals while maintaining high standards of accuracy, and to follow data entry procedures and contribute to ongoing process improvements. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. An associate or bachelor's degree is preferred. You must have strong typing skills, a minimum of 50 WPM with excellent accuracy. You must have proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite, especially Excel, Google Workspace, and database software. You must have exceptional attention to detail and organizational skills. You must be able to work independently and manage time effectively. And you must have a reliable internet connection and secure remote work environment. This job offers great benefits. These benefits include flexible work hours, a remote work setup and training, and opportunities for advancement and skill development. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Koenig Government Services, and they're looking for a procurement data entry clerk. The duties for this job include populating JAMIS subcontract template from various sources. These include data files, subcontract hard copy files. You will perform JAMIS data entry, including upload function. You will contract brief updates, and you'll perform other duties and data entry projects as assigned. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have US citizenship. You must have basic knowledge of Microsoft Suite. This includes Word, Excel, and Outlook. You must be able to work independently and communicate effectively with all levels of a company. You must be a team player, willing to ensure projects are completed accurately and in a timely manner. And you must have a high degree of integrity, work well with others, protect the company's interests while assuring customer satisfaction. In addition to this, you must have a bachelor's degree in business or a related field. The next job is with Newcomb and Boyd, and they're looking for someone to fill their data entry position. For this job, you will accurately input data into a portal and log details. You will verify data for accuracy and completeness. You will manage and organize data files. And you will assist with organizing and labeling documents. Regarding the job requirements, you must have strong organizational and multitasking abilities. You must have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. You must have attention to detail and be able to maintain confidentiality. And you must be able to work independently and as part of a team. This is a part-time, temporary position. The next job is with Bold Business, and they are looking for a data entry associate. Regarding what you will do, you will be involved with either voice or non-voice processes as required. You will manage either inbound or outbound calls in a professional manner. You will verify information provided to their clients by third-party entities by using online databases to cross-check information. You will be responsible for reviewing and completing enrichment tasks as defined and trained by the client. You will be responsible for timely and quality execution of tasks. And you may be required to perform additional duties and tasks as required by the company. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must be willing to work on both voice and non-voice processes, experience in an outbound or inbound call center, inside sales experience, related sales, or customer service experience is a plus. You must have excellent written and verbal communication skills. You must be available for 40 hours per week starting immediately. You must be adaptable and flexible, demonstrating abilities to work with process and information changes. You must be able to work independently or as an active member of a team. You must be able to support a WFH setup. You must have a stable internet connection, and being computer savvy is preferred. This is a full-time position. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.